Chenro mar manyo ji ariyo manyocha od orofa oluar kuomgi South Sibore Nairobi odonjo odiochienge mar adek kawuono ka apisa matayo chenro no medo yango okenge ma imedo keti e reso ji ariyogo. Magitimore e kinde ma familia mag joma ne oyudore masirano pod ogo tach e aluora no ka gitero lem geno mar yudo wedegigo ka ngima. Wawinjane achiel kachiel ne apisas go oloso motelo ka apisa maloso en Dan Kanochieng en apisa mochung'ne chenro mag manyo jogo ma odno noruombore kuomgi.
Members of the media, good afternoon. Today marks the third day of the ongoing search and rescue and recovery operations following the building collapse at South Sea Shopping Center. We wish to inform the public that considerable progress has been made, and we commend the multi-agency urban search and rescue teams. We continue to work around the clock with unwavering dedication and professionalism. We wish to take this earliest opportunity today to speak directly to the families and relatives of the suspected trapped victims. We fully understand the anxiety, uncertainty, and emotional distress that you are going through. Please be assured that the incident management team is doing everything within its means, applying specialized skills, equipment, and proven rescue techniques to locate and retrieve the suspected victims. This remains our central motivation, and every operational decision is guided by this commitment. That said, it is important to reiterate that the incident objectives remain unchanged and continue to guide all operations here. Safety and security of all responders and members of the public, search, rescue, and the recovery of suspected victims, clearance of debris, and gradual restoration of normalcy as conditions safely allow. While progress has been achieved, we must emphasize that this remains a high-risk and very delicate operation. Based on the disaster risk assessment conducted this morning, there is an enhanced risk of injury due to continuous movement of heavy machinery, increased debris covering sections of access pathways, and presence of exposed and retrieved metallic materials within the active site. In this regard, members of the public and all responders without appropriate personal protective equipment, at a minimum, we are looking at helmet, ear protection, and eye protection, and urged to keep off the active operation area. The active site has been clearly demarcated, and we respectfully request maximum cooperation from both the public and all responding agencies to observe these safety boundaries. These measures are critical to preventing secondary injuries and ensuring that rescue operations proceed without interruption. We thank the families, South Sea community, and the general public for their patience, understanding, and cooperation during this difficult period. The incident management team remains fully present, fully committed, and firmly at the front line until the objectives of these operations are achieved. Further formal update will be issued at 16:00 hours by the CS for public service, or even as we get any new development. Thank you, and God bless our teams. God bless Kenya.